Ah, she is nice and clean. Look at her. She's smooth as butter, baby. What's up? What's cracking? And it's not like the valves are closed. Sound good? So first stop of the day, we have to go get gas because yeah, also we need an oil change. It's kind of cool how this car has like a little animation on the screen that pops up that lets you know that you need an oil change. It's kind of cool. But we are doing a photo shoot today. Guy's coming down from the LA area and he's gonna be taking pictures and videos of this car, so it should be cool. And you guys know this is always the thing. Always gotta stop to get gas. It's like a tradition. And it is hot out here, yo. Like, we're leaving back home to NorCal this week, and it is freaking hot out here. And we're gonna be leaving the hot to go to cold. Got E in here. 51 smackaroos. Can't complain too much though, because if that was 91, that would have easily been $100. So we can't complain. Gotta stay quiet because we got the po-po right there. Not really sure what happened. Got people on the curb. There's 3 of them, and there's 2 people. Crazy. It's 75 degrees out here, yo. Like, it's literally short. I have pants on, but it's shorts and shirt type of weather, right? We're gonna be leaving this to go to like 60-degree weather back at home. It's gonna be freaking terrible. And your man's looks like a homeless wolf. We gotta get a haircut, we gotta shave, we gotta do all of that. I downshifted and that dog stuck his head out of the window. That's funny. But I moved down here and I didn't think that I'd be going back home this often, but honestly, man, family is everything. And I just try to, even though I moved away, I still try to, you know, see them as much as I can. And we are going to head out. So we got our mans over there. We're gonna be in a Corolla. And so we're gonna head down to La Jolla first. We're gonna do some rollers on the freeway, pictures. I think they're doing videos, I'm not really too sure. And yeah, like I said, this should be really fun. Yeah, this is sick. I've never had a photo shoot in this car, so this is gonna be definitely long overdue. It's super funny doing this on the freeway, because like, look, he's right there taking the pictures, and look how many people are behind us. I don't know if they're like respecting it or if they're just like scared to ruin the picture, but it's kind of funny. I appreciate that.
How much money you put in that thing?
Like 20,000.
Damn.
Yeah.
That's not bad.
Yeah, it's not.
Still a fucking shit ton of money, man.
That's just in performance though. Yeah.
How much did you get the car for?
I got it for 26.
That's not bad.
Well, the thing is, I got it right before like the market went crazy. I got it in 2020.
How many miles?
I got it with 78.
That's not bad at all.
Something like that. The man, the myth, the legend, working his magic. Honestly, this is a sick view. I've only been up here once. I already know those pictures would come out fire. All right, guys. So, in the midst of all of this, we actually have a very interesting person in our presence. So, his dad is a filmer for, how you say it, Brazzers?
Brazzers, Mind Geek, all those guys.
Oh, I never heard of Mind Geek.
The Mind Geek's like the overall company that like owns.
Really?
All of them.
Really? Wait, so what do they own? Is Brazzers and what else?
Hub, all like all of them.
Really?
Every single one.
Mind Geek.
They're like they're the overarching power.
Yeah. Dang, I didn't even know that.
Yep.
That's crazy though. I've never met somebody that is
in the business?
Yeah, that has like, yeah. He said he knows like, you know, the
I know.
the actors.
I got numbers. I got some numbers.
Bro, that's crazy though. That's absolutely crazy. Wow. Never in my life have I met somebody that has like an icebreaker like that, you know? And for those of you who don't know, Brazzers is a Pornhub site. It's a porn site. It's not Pornhub, but apparently Pornhub is underneath a parent company with Brazzers, and it's owned by the same person. I didn't know that, so you just said it, but yeah, it's a porn site. Next stop, we are going to I call it the Chinese building, but it's that famous Chinese looking structure that if you live in SoCal, or even if you haven't, or even if you don't live in SoCal, you'll know what I'm talking about. You've seen it on like people who live in like the SD area, and you know, they film content there and stuff like that, like Throttle, TJ Hunt. I don't know why those are the only two people I can think of at this very moment, but yeah, it's a well-known place that not a lot of people know where it's at, but if you've seen it, or if you see it, then you'll know that you've seen it. I have a legendary picture on my phone of this view, and it's like that pier. You can't see it now, but the pier, how it like went out. I was in the ST and I took a legendary photo. I'm gonna put it on the screen right now, but that is one of my favorite photos that I have ever taken. I don't know why. It was just like a photo that I didn't think too much of, and then like after I took it, I was like, dang, like bro, this is like picture worthy, like frame it worthy. And this is the place I was talking about. The only thing with coming here during the week, there's always hella people, but yeah, I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this place multiple times. Is this heavy?
Kind of. You can pick it up. It's just off. It's like with the camera on, it's a little heavier, but it's not. It's not like crazy heavy. Yeah.
It's just imagine carrying that though for just a long.
I carry that for a long period of time. My hands turn like blood red just from gripping it.
And that's, I'm assuming this tripod comes off too now.
Yeah, I take that off because when I move around too much, it'll like hit my like hips.
Yeah. And then, was this separate?
Yeah.
Huh. So I asked him if he would ever work for his dad, right? But he told me that you got offered a job for
I got offered a job for like 4 days to be a cleanup crew.
Yeah.
$200 a day. I was down for it, but my dad didn't want me to do it, so.
I wonder if I would have. Would you have took it though?
100%. It's $1 million for 4 days of work just for cleaning up something. Like, yeah. I would 100% do it. I just put it in the back of my mind, just zone out and clean. Yeah. It's like, imagine it's water. Just in my mind, it's water.
Dog, that is so funny. That's crazy. Yeah. Honestly, I think I'd do it too. Cause I mean, it's. Yeah, it's, you know what I mean? Like, yeah. I don't know. I would have done it. I probably would have done it too. Would you guys have done it though? Would you clean up a corn site?
Hey man.
And this is gonna be the next part. You guys know. See, we came here, we take videos, we take pictures, right? But it's nothing like having a professional picture taken or a professional video. And it's always cool seeing people's reaction when they see this for the first time, real. Because let's be real, this is freaking dope. It's crazy though, because we were literally just right there, and it took us like 10 minutes to get here. Like the distance to view doesn't line up here. Yeah, we were like literally.
We were literally right there.
Yeah, legit though.
All of like 10 minutes ago.
Yeah.
And now we're a mile, 2 miles away.
All right, so we have reached the part of the video where we're done here. Right? He's got his pictures and his videos. We're gonna try to do rollers on the freeway in a Corolla. I know there's been crazier vehicles done, pretty sure, but.
Can you, Rain?
Oh no.
Yeah, it looks like it comes down.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, it comes down.
Dude, there's enough room.
You gotta figure out how though.
It's gotta be.
Oh, right here. Ugh. I don't want to mess these glasses. I'll put it right here. Yeah, it comes down right here.
Look at that, guys.
You got it?
Is that?
No, it's a button right here.
Oh, I'm so fucking dumb. Alright, let me move this fucking thing.
This guy has a harness that he puts on. So that when he does rollers like this,
same thing as last time?
It doesn't. He doesn't like fall out of the car.
We could.
It's interesting.
You gotta see if it's 30.
Yeah.
That's crazy, dog. No way.
That holds all my body weight.
That's great. Well, I mean, this is a freaking whole strap.
Yeah.
Looks like it would hold it.
Coming off when I'm pulling on it.
Wow.
Okay.
This is crazy. So we're thinking about doing sound clips. So we're gonna be using one of these mics.
Dude, the stupid ASMR videos, they got shit all over the mic.
Wait, what do you mean ASMR? In what?
No, like, okay, we have people use these mics for ASMR.
Well, for doing what though?
Like eating.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I thought like his dad.
No.
Dude, low-key, that's a good business. That's a good business. That's a good business expenditure. These might have discovered a new genre. A new genre.
Yo, Matt, you know how many people pay for that though?
Yeah.
Dude, freaks would pay
Yeah, for sure. But yeah, we're gonna put one of those in my engine bay, and then we're gonna get some sound clips with the roller. So it should come out pretty cool.
Yeah. I mean, dude, if people buy people's bathwater, I think they'll be pretty invested in this.
That is so nasty, man. Bathwater? You think they drink it?
I really hope they didn't, but I have a feeling some of them did. I have a feeling someone was just like sipping on it like a dog or something.
And we are headed out. You know, it's funny actually. I get a lot of people, well, not like an astronomical amount, but there are some people that ask me like, oh, like where's that at? What's the address, whatever. And honestly, bro, don't ask. I'm not gonna show you or tell you or give it to you, whatever. It's because I just don't want the spot to get burnt out. Because you know, people sometimes people don't know that. You know, I just don't want the spot getting burnt out. Because like the person that lives here, he's an older guy. He's like in his 80s or whatever. Like I've seen him. You know, he's seen me come here and film whatever. So like, I'm just not trying to burn the spot out. So don't even ask me, bro, for the address. I'm not gonna give it to you. Nathan calls me and he's like, "Close your valves. There's a cop behind us." Dang, they freaking saved us. That's crazy. Full drops his drink. Now he has no choice but to shotgun it.
There you go.
I don't think you'll be able to down all of that. That's it? There's more in there.
There's a little bit more.
Oh, okay, okay. All right, let's go ahead and place that mic in the engine bay. The thing is, you know how long that lasts?
Huh?
You know how long that mic lasts?
I mean, I have 15-hour battery.
Well, I only say that because obviously we have to wait to do it until we get out of traffic, you know?
No, it'll keep recording.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
I don't know. This might be aluminum, so I don't think that's gonna stick to that. You can stick it to the bar.
Anything that doesn't heat
Roll
up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can do it underneath.
You don't want the hood to crush it.
Yeah. Or honestly, you can probably put it right here.
Oh, that works.
Like right there. Or you want it, you kind of want it like that. Well, that can't move. That, yeah, you don't want it to block the sound because it's smushed against the harness.
Oh, so you want to get the turbo, right?
Yeah.
What about like?
Or honestly, right here.
Yeah.
This tab right here.
Oh yeah, perfect.
Yeah. That's funny because a couple of videos ago, you guys remember we took the screw out of here, so I technically would have worked with the screw too, but
I'm gonna put headphones on so
you'll be able to hear
test the sound real quick.
Okay, that works.
Perfect.
Perfect. It was literally made for this.
All right, that should be good.
All right, and you see you've done this multiple times, right? So it's not gonna burn up.
Plus
Okay.
1 year warranty.
Okay. Thank God you saw him.
Yeah, dude. Nathan told me, he's like, oh shit, there's a cop. Like, where is it? Behind us.
Yeah.
Shit.
He was like, close the valves. I was like, yo. That would have been bad. Cause I didn't see him at all.
He wasn't a nice cop either. If you looked inside, he was like an old, grizzly, fat dude.
Oh shoot, yeah, that would have been all bad then for sure. Cause I normally see him, but like when they pull up behind cars that, you know, cause obviously this car sits low, so I can't see.
Yeah.
Dang, yeah, that could have been bad. Got an audience.
Okay.
They're looking like, what the heck?
Hand me my camera.
How do I grab
Just
it?
pick it up from the bottom.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hold this, actually. I'm trying to.
I don't need my sunglasses.
I don't want to drop it. And then you just want me to like turn on and rev it?
Yeah, perfect.
Hopefully it's not distorted. You guys see the setup? I have a feeling it's gonna come out really sick though. What's funny is he's gonna have to fold himself to go in.
He's gonna have to fold himself to go back in.
So this is current setup. So we have his stabilizer, we got the screen, he got his headphones, listen to the audio, make sure it's not distorting, and his body harness that's going through the car. You ready?
Yeah, I should be ready.
The amount of people that pass by and look at me is hilarious. Like, bro, why are you looking at me? Look at him. He's the one that's standing outside the freaking truck. It's just funny how they're like already associating him with like me, which makes sense, but I don't know, it's just funny. Like almost everybody who passes by. This fool's just chilling. I don't know why, it's just so funny to me. So what the plan is right now is we're doing the rollers on our way to the next spot. There is traffic, but the reason why we had it set up now is because we didn't want to wait till after traffic to stop, get it set up. So figured we'd do it before, hop on the freeway, go through the traffic, and then once it clears up, we'll do the rollers, and then we'll go to the next spot, and then take a couple pictures, videos, and then that's pretty much gonna be it. And we have reached the final, actually I think this is like the third of 4 spots we might be going to, but we gotta remember to take this guy's mic out. I know this thing is hot as heck. Oh, actually it's not that hot. Make sure that the magnet is on there still. Yeah, it's actually not that hot, to say that I'll leave it propped so that heat can exit that hood. It was hot during the day, but now the sun went down, it's a little chilly. It's still not as cold as it should be by the water, but it's still a little chilly. But we're gonna go ahead and go to the last spot, and then we're gonna call it a day. And we have reached the last spot of the night. I think we've been here before, you guys. If you remember, we've been here before. Oceanside have the spots, to be honest with you. If you want a picture of your car by the beach, Oceanside is your spot. Cause like, just look at it, it's perfect. Even during the night, because we got the moon and lamps. Perfect back there. Yeah, it's legit perfect. Imagine during like a sunset though. That would be freaking, yeah, that would go crazy. I don't know if you guys can see it, but the half moon is hitting tonight. Like you can legit see that it's a half moon. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that is a wrap. We are officially done. And we are back at home, guys. So, in the last video, you guys saw that we bought this vacuum cleaner. It's like a portable vacuum cleaner, right? So this should show you how good it works. It works so good. So we charged it, right? So it has a full charge. It works extremely well. And again, this is not like promotion or anything. This is just me helping you guys out if you're in a situation like I am, where like your garage doesn't really have an outlet and you need something, right? Instead of like paying every time you want to vacuum your car, just buy this. And look, like I have sand over here, right? I don't know how well you can see that. I'm kind of blocking. I don't know if that will help. Yeah, a little bit. So there's sand, right? Oh, look at that. So leave it over there, right? Dude, this thing works extremely well. Like, money well spent. Legit got it up, bro. Look at that. I don't know. I like good products, and especially when you need the good products to come through, right? Like, it would be different if I was living at home, and right, like I bought this just to like make it easier. Then if it didn't work, like whatever, I can still use a shop vac, right? But no, that's not the situation. Like I don't have a outlet. I mean, I do, but that thing up there, you know what I mean? So like I needed something good, and this literally is that. So I don't know, just super excited that this actually worked out pretty good. Honestly, today was pretty dope, and the crazy thing is we're actually supposed to do the same thing, but in Malibu, I believe Malibu, Calabasas, like that area, in about 2 weeks or so. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that, because we're going down there. We're gonna be shooting with this car, rollers, videos, whatever. And then I think after they're saying that we're going back to a house in Calabasas to eat, whatever. So it should be dope. Make sure you guys stay tuned for that vlog, because that is going to be interesting. I'm ending it here. I will catch you guys in the next one. The next video that you guys see, it will be back at our old stomping grounds with familiar faces. I will catch you in the next one. Peace out. Stay safe and stay tuned.
Who knew I would make it this far? They hated, they never believed me. Yeah, I would never drop the ball. I know I make it look easy. Yeah. Mayweather with the defense. I don't care what a critic got to say, I got them picking up the pieces. That to me, you really playing with your life. I'm about to come and run it all back. I'm the new era, about to snap back. You ain't fitting for it, cause you all cap like